Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance with Mt5 updated. Open your Binance API settings and create an API key with read and trade permissions. Copy the API key and secret, then paste them into your Mt5 broker plugin or bridge, matching account types and server names. Always secure your secret and restrict IPs when possible. Test a small trade or demo order to confirm the connection before committing significant funds. Start by logging into Binance and navigating to API management to create a new key. Use a clear label so you remember which tool uses that key and apply IP restrictions when practical. Only enable permissions you need, typically read and trade, and never grant withdrawal rights. Store the secret in a secure password manager and do not share it. Validate connection on Mt5 by checking account balance and trade history. After pasting API credentials into Mt5, perform a demo trade to verify everything routes correctly and that positions appear on both platforms. If you see connection issues, confirm the broker bridge uses the correct server name and account type and recheck your API permissions. Consult Mt5 logs for specific error codes and retry after fixing any mismatches. Keep your testing, funds small, and increment exposure only after successful validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.